Hi, I'm Carnager. Welcome to AmsterdamVideo.com.
Good morning, you all. It's Tuesday and it's a new work day. So I'm on my way to the office for the work day to start. The weather appears to be quite nice. The day is starting out at 18 degrees with sunshine. So that's awesome. So now without further ado, here's the intro. Alright, it's time to repair a computer, and today I'm having this pink Sony Vaio, which had some dimming problems caused by the sensor overreacting to the surrounding light. So I fixed that, and now it's nice and bright again. Job well done, Carney. Yata! Guys, the workday has come to an end. Yeah, heading back to HQ to little Miss Chibi, who is waiting for me as usual. Oh man, the weather is beautiful. It's 24.5 degrees centigrade, so that's yeah, completely awesome. Summertime. The world is so beautiful when the sun shines. Yep, it's awesome. Oh, so happy. Happy Chibi. Oh, little dog. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.